In the beginning was the anchor. No, not that one. This one. The first anchor without the need for drilling. And because this anchor had a huge impact everywhere, the inventors, the family-run company Bettermann, based in the Sauerland region, added Obo to their company name 40 years after its foundation. O standing for ohne, the German word for without, Bo for bohren, the German word for drilling. This nice man here also bears the name of Obo and will now present to you some of the highlights and innovations that followed the anchor in quick succession. Thanks to continuous optimization of the products, Obo has become a master in its core competencies, namely conducting power and data in buildings from A to B safely and protecting people and valuable items against lightning strikes and fire comprehensively. Think connected means that Obo can supply individual solutions for every conceivable building from 7 product portfolios with 30,000 different products, creating an environment where people can be happy, work efficiently, and be infinitely enthusiastic. So badly laid out infrastructure can be avoided, resources protected, and the future safeguarded. Obo remains a family business with its headquarters in Germany and has obviously grown a little over the past 100 years, for example, including a BET test center and Europe's most modern galvanizing plant. And because customer focus is a very important theme for Obo, there are already 60 locations worldwide with more than 3,000 staff members who are there to provide more safety in small, large, and very large buildings. Conducting electricity, routing data, controlling energy. Think connected with Obo Bettermann. By the way, if all you need is an intelligent anchor, it is still available.